What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, it's been a long time since we've been here. Last week we actually went down to the city on Thursday to pick up my bike, my new Harley, and then yesterday we went to go pick up the other new Harley, my buddy's bike. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Without further ado, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I told you guys a few videos back, we do got some merch coming in. It has shipped out to me, so I should have that merch here shortly, hopefully. So stay tuned for that. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. They got literally like a couple of cars here, maybe 3, honestly, but not that much on the list. So let's get into it now, shall we? All right, so first off, guys, we don't want the 99 Acura with a bad starter. What is this one right here, though? We have a 2011 Ford Focus. Looks like 115,000 miles or 113,000 miles, rather. Pretty good looking Ford Focus. However, we do got some gaps along the bumper there. We can pop the hood on this bad boy really quick. Let's see, where is it? You're missing the engine cover on there. Other than that, it really doesn't look to be like tampered with or anything like that. So, but do got like a little bit of gappage up here. No big deal. Honestly, looks pretty fair. 115,000 miles on a 2011. It does have the sunroof, and it looks like it does have some nice leather interior. If we take a look at the inside, it does have some nice light, like beigeish, light tan leather interior, which is no rips or anything in the seat. Interface and everything up here looks to be good. Nothing that stands out. Does have the sunroof, like I mentioned. This one is a pretty decent car. The body is in all right shape. However, we do got some gaps here and there. No big deal though. The mileage is pretty low, so you can definitely make your money back on this thing. I think this will be a pretty good car to buy. Hopefully it's running good later on when it comes through, because we might just buy it. So who knows? What do you guys think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, and we don't want the 2005 Toyota, I believe this is like a Corolla. This thing is pretty whooped in the front. I mean, this would be a cool little project, but at 299,000 miles, I'm gonna pass on it. We got an 05 Cadillac CTS. It is not the V. I would only buy it if it was the V. This one has 161,000 miles on it. The body isn't the best. You do got some tequila kicks there. Look like they ran into something up here. I mean, it's at 161,000 miles, guys. So, I mean, you may have a little bit more room to work with it, but me personally, I'm not going to take that chance. This Cadillac, you know, it may be reliable, but then again, most of the time, my guess is no. It does have some leather interior. That's all we can pretty much say about that. I mean, definitely looks dirty. Gonna need a detail and all that good stuff. This seat looks like a dog got a hold of it. Does have the sunroof. Looks like this might be a BB gun or a pellet gun or something like that. But other than that, I mean, it's a Cadillac CTS. You like it, I love it. If you like it, I love it, man. What y'all think about the Caddy though? Let me know in the comments below. They got like a bunch of like junk cars here today, man. We got a 06 Chrysler 300. This is not the C. It's probably like the Limited or something like that. It does have 139,000 miles on it. The paint is super faded on this joint. And this is the 3.5, so this is the better motor. You know, they have the 2.7 V6 and then they have this 3.5. Looks like they try to force that cold air intake in there. I don't know what they was thinking when they did that, but they do have the Bentley logo on there. Not really my style, but you know, if you want a Chrysler, this may be the one for you. However, I just feel like it's gonna be something wrong with this thing. You got little trimmings and all that hanging up here, sticking out, poking out. You got some leather interior. The leather interior actually is pretty fair. You got a free car seat back there. It smells like cigarettes and stuff. But if you was ever looking for a 300, this one's gonna go cheap here today. Oh, it's a touring edition, not even a limited. It's a touring edition, but it does have some body damage. It's gonna need some work, I'm sure, man, but I don't want to deal with it. What y'all think though? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, man, we got an 08 Chevy Impala. Looks like 173,000 miles. The mileage on this thing is pretty high. Just based on like the Impalas, they only run good up until like 150 miles. Now if the car was taken care of, then that's a different story. I don't know why it's a bunch of white stuff up there, so this thing might have been smoking at a point. Who really knows? It's a 08, 173,000 miles. The body's in fairly decent condition. You do got a grill like hanging off down there, no big deal. No big body damage. It actually looked like it might have had something on the window here. So this one actually something may be wrong with this one. I'm pretty sure it is. If we take a look at the inside, typical Impala inside, nothing that really stands out. Everything is intact to say the least, which is a plus. No body damage really. You got a little slight kickage over here. You got a big little tequila kick right there. And you can use E85 in this thing right here, so it definitely will be a you'll definitely be able to get cheaper gas, so that's a plus. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, looks like we have a 2016 Kia Soul here. This is definitely going to be the best one here at the auction today. Looks like it has 33,000 miles. Really good looking Kia Soul here, if you ask me. Pretty nice looking car, no body damage or anything like that. Actually looks fairly new. Lights and everything. It's a 2016 with only 30K miles on it. So you guys know it definitely has a lot of potential. You can literally put this thing on Turo and make some money back. Seats are cloth. They look really good. No rips or anything like that. Actually still kind of has that new car smell, if you ask me. I'm digging this Kia Soul. We do got like a little slight scratch right there. Nothing that would be a deal breaker. I'm digging the red and black look on this. I really love this. So I think this one will probably go for like 6 grand here today. 6 grand. If I didn't buy the Harley, I would have probably bought something like this just so I can make some money back. But looks nice though, man. What y'all think about the Kia Soul? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, we don't want the Mustang GT with 126,000 miles, a 2001 Mustang GT. So it is the V8. Got some chrome wheels on it. All the wheels match, I guess. Could use a good paint, some restoration on the headlights. Oh, you're missing a wheel back there. Yeah, I'm actually good on the Mustang. No, I don't really care for them. Got a little 93 Honda Civic right here, 207,000 miles. Definitely is the coupe. Looks like it's lowered. They attempted to put a body kit or something on it. Not really my flavor. But I'll just show you guys really quick because I know some of you guys like the Hondas. But I mean, if I liked it, the body kit would be nice. But they took a crash right here and just totaled this thing out. So that's gonna be more than it's worth to fix it. But moving along here, we got a 2012 Scion. Not sure what Scion this is, but it does have 120,000 miles on it. Was smacked in the front. The whole like radiator support and everything is pretty bashed in. The motor's like way under there, if you ask me. Little tiny car. Doesn't look like any airbags or anything like that have blown, but this thing is super whipped in the inside, man. This thing is like just junky, dirty, never been clean, stinks and everything. So definitely not something I would want personally. Oh, it's the Scion IQ. Never really seen one of these before, but hey, if you like it, I love it. This car is a little bit too small for me. But what y'all think about it though? Let me know in the comments below. Got a Volkswagen here. I think this is like a Passat. Do got some tequila kickage here in the front. They might have smacked something. Who really knows? V6 doesn't look tampered with or nothing like that underneath. But it has 175,000 miles, so it's really not my flavor. But I'll just show you guys because this is probably one of the other few decent ones we have here. We got some decent leather. Interior is pretty fair. It does have the sunroof, of course, which is a plus. All leather interior, everything in there looks pretty intact to say the least. But I don't know. I don't think these things are that reliable. But better you than me. I don't know what y'all think about it, man. Let me know in the comments below. We got a '09 Toyota Matrix. Now this one might be the one to fix up. We got 153,000 miles on it. It says it has a broken axle, so I don't know, maybe it's this wheel right here which is broken. I'm not really sure, but the color on it stands out. Has decent mileage for it being a Toyota. You take a quick look at the inside. Black leather interior. We got a couple rips on the seats. Actually not that bad in the interior. Everything looks to be pretty intact. Got some gappage right here, so my guess is they hit it on the opposite side in the same spot right here, but who really knows? It is the Matrix S, so I'm not really sure which axle is broken, but we do got some gappage on the back on this bumper here, so it tells me I mean, I really don't know. I don't know which axle is broken, but I guess we'll find that out when it comes to the auction. This is probably one of the other better ones that's going to be here today. You might be able to get it for cheap, being that the axle is broken, and the color on this thing is nice. So I feel like this thing will sell really that much easier with this color that stands out. What y'all think about the Matrix, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, we got a '05 Jeep Liberty here, 60,000 miles. Pretty decent looking Jeep. However, we do got some wham bam up here. Looked like they was running from the cops or whatever. Smacked something, hopped out, ran, got caught. Now they car up here. But I mean, other than that front damage, it really doesn't look too bad. You can take a quick look at the interior. Has leather seats, which is pretty cool. Nice leather back seats as well. Got a extra wheel in the back. Everything actually looks intact up here except for the radio. Of course, it looks like they might have had an aftermarket radio, or the auction just took it out, one of the two. But this light is broken and it's got some gappage, so who really knows? But I mean, it is a 3.7 limited. I believe this is the same motor that's in that 300 over there. I'm not really sure, but we can pop the hood real quick and get an idea. If we can pop it open, I don't even know how to pop that junk. Okay, 3.7 liter V6. I believe that one was like a 3.5, so definitely different motors, but like I said, it doesn't look tampered with or anything like that, so that may be a plus. Could be a simple fix, man. What y'all think about it though, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, and we don't want the 2006 BMW. It says it might have a bad motor or something. I wonder if it's the 335. It doesn't even say if it's the 335 or not, so you know what that means. We'll just have to check it out really quick. Inside is actually pretty decent. No rips or nothing like that. Black interior looks pretty fair. Does have the sunroof, so that's a plus. Yeah, I can't even tell which engine it is, but it does have like this carbon fiber hood on it. Well, super old and whipped carbon fiber hood, but it is what it is, man. What y'all think? We don't want the this little Chrysler. We don't want the Tacoma. This thing is pretty whipped. Neither do we want the Toyota. This thing is whipped too. Crashed and all the above. This Honda is whipped. Hyundai, actually cool. Got a bad motor on this one. So, Explorer, too big for my liking. Unknown mileage on this one. This Lexus actually may look pretty cool. It's a 99 Lexus. I believe this is a, what is this? We got a 99 Lexus RX 300. Do got a slight tequila kickage here in the hood. Other than that, I mean, it does have 307,000 miles, of course. But if we take a look at the inside, it really doesn't look that bad. We've seen a lot of other cars here with like way less mileage that look way worse than this. When you take a look at the back, actually everything looks to be intact. Really looks like a really good looking car. Actually might have been sitting for a while, because if you guys see, it's just dust and everything caked up in here. So who really knows? They might have gave it a quick wash down or something. I'm not sure. But we do got some stuff hanging over here. We got the bumper hanging on this side. And then this is like definitely two different colors. I don't know if y'all can see that on camera or not, but that's definitely two different colors. So we're gonna be moving on. Got a '09 Ford Flex here with 108,000 miles. It definitely says it might be the transmission. So it might need some automatic transmission fluid. Who really knows? This thing may have some problems when you buy it, but your guess is as good as mine. I don't know. 108,000 miles on it. You are missing a little trim panel here. No big deal. We can pop open the door. Got some black leather interior. Everything is like super whipped in here. Looks like we have, I don't know if we have the third row, but it does look pretty decent. Nothing that really stands out to me. Got a bunch of room in the back here. Oh yeah, we do have the third row, so that's a plus. I don't know, Ford Flex, it says it might need some automatic transmission fluid. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. And this Ford pickup is pretty whipped. I'm actually good on this one. Oh, we got a little Porsche truck. Let's check it out. Alrighty, man. We got a '06 Porsche Cayenne S. Looks like 120,000 miles on this joint. No body damage from what I can see so far. We can pop the hood on this bad boy. It's the V8, 4.5 liter V8. The engine and stuff doesn't look touched under here, so that's a plus. You guys remember the last one we seen, it was really whooped, but this one actually looks pretty fair. It's a '06, so this thing is really old, but it does have some decent. Oh damn, this thing smells like a dog or a person. Somebody died in this shit. This thing is pretty whooped, and it stinks really bad, like somebody was dead in the back seat or some shit for like months. But it does have the tow hitch. If you want a Porsche, man, this one might go cheap today, and it might run decent. What y'all think though, man? Let me know about it in the comments below. And it's literally a couple more cars here that are super whooped, too whooped to bid on, and are just like not my style. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're wondering what any of these cars are gonna sell for, be sure to tune in to later on tonight, I believe, as we'll be at the live auction, man. So be sure to tune into that tonight. We're going live. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what was your favorite ride today. It could only be like three rides, if not two. My guess is two, but if you got three, I can understand. So let me know what you guys think about it, man, in the comments below. I appreciate you tuning in. Peace.